Heat. When two bodies at different temperatures are brought together, an energy transfer takes place between them. This transfer or flow of energy is called heat energy or simply heat. It always flows from the hotter body to the colder body. So we can say that heat is a form of energy that flows from a body at higher temperature to a body at lower temperature. The commonly used units of heat are joule and calorie. Joule is the SI unit of heat. Temperature. Temperature is a reliable measure of the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. It tells us precisely how hot or cold a body is. The hotter an object is, the higher will be its temperature. We use a device called thermometer to measure temperature. Temperature is measured using different temperature scales. In temperature scale, we use two reference temperature, freezing and the boiling point of water. The commonly used scales are the Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, and the Kelvin scale. A thermometer is a device that measures temperature, how hot or cold something is. Different types of thermometers are clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer, digital thermometer, maximum and minimum thermometer. Clinical thermometer. The thermometer used to measure human body temperature is known as the clinical thermometer. A clinical thermometer is made up of a long and narrow glass tube. One end of this tube is sealed and the other end has a glass bulb filled with mercury. The normal body temperature of a healthy person is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. If a person has fever, the temperature goes up. However, it never goes above 42 degrees Celsius or below 35 degrees Celsius. So the range of clinical thermometer is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius or 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. What is the use of kink in the clinical thermometer? A clinical thermometer has a special feature, a kink or a constriction in the glass tube just above the mercury bulb. This kink prevents immediate backflow of the mercury from the tube to the bulb, thus allowing us to read the temperature conveniently. This is the reason why we give a jerk to the thermometer before taking a new reading. While using a clinical thermometer, we have to take following precautions. The thermometer should be washed before and after use with an antiseptic solution. The thermometer should be read keeping the level of the mercury along the line of the sight. It should be handled with care. The bulb of the thermometer should not be touched while taking a reading. It should be ensured that before use, the mercury level is below 35 degrees Celsius. Laboratory thermometers. They are used in laboratories for performing experiments. Such thermometers can measure temperatures of hot objects such as boiling water or cold objects such as ice. The range of thermometer is from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. The precautions needed while reading a laboratory thermometer are: it should be kept upright, not tilted. Bulb should be surrounded from all sides by the substance of which the temperature is to be measured. The bulb should not touch the surface of the container. Difference between the clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer ranges from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, whereas laboratory thermometer is from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. In clinical thermometer, mercury level does not fall due to the kink. In laboratory thermometer, mercury level falls on its own as no kink is present. Clinical thermometer, temperature can be read after removing the thermometer from armpit or mouth. In laboratory thermometer, temperature is read while keeping the thermometer in the source such as liquid or anything. In clinical thermometer, we have to give the jerk to lower the mercury level, but in laboratory thermometer, no need to give the jerk. Clinical thermometer is used to take the body temperature. Laboratory thermometer is used in the laboratory. Digital thermometer. A known fact is that mercury is toxic in nature. For this reason, digital thermometers are widely used nowadays. A digital thermometer does not contain mercury. It has a plastic body, is easy to use, and provides accurate readings in the form of digital display. Maximum and minimum thermometer. Maximum and minimum thermometer works by registering the maximum and minimum temperatures over a certain time period by using two scales set in liquid mercury. Two bulbs filled with alcohol or oil regulate the movement of the mercury. Maximum minimum thermometers are typically U-shaped parallel tube of glass.